Hey, I have had some pretty intense conversations with friends and family and neighbors from the Eaton Fire area. I lived in Pasadena for about 10 years, and so I myself have kind of been going through my own emotional roller coaster after the impact of last week and the fires and all that. So one of the questions I had was, how do I have conversations with my own children about, what's going on with the wildfires, and we're not in that community, but that is our community. So like, what can we do from a distance? So I thought maybe AI could help me with that. So I went to MagicSchool AI. I'm going to go here because I know that there's a lot of great ideas that I get as far as lessons plans go, and just conversation starters that I could have with students. And I'm thinking about my child, but you might be thinking about your students. So I chose to look at their SEL lesson plan, which is aligned to the castle wheel. And I'm going to choose 7th grade, and I'm going to type in there how to talk to 7th graders about wildfire losses and impact on our community when you might not be there to actually help with the recovery. And it gives me an opportunity to choose one of the wheel spokes for the SEL, or the castle wheel. So I'm going to choose social awareness, promoting empathy and understanding of others. And I'm going to let it generate a lesson plan. So personally for me, I'm not somebody who takes the lesson plans that are generated inside a MagicSchool and just go. I don't usually do that. I will have the tool generate the lesson plan, and then I will interrogate the AI, and I'll ask questions, or I'll take chunks of it out and then re-engage the AI to see if there's, more, just more that I can get out of it. So looking just a quick glance, we have an objective, an assessment, some key points, and vocabulary. Begin the lesson by showing a short video clip or images. To me, that just feels like a lot. Like they're already seeing so much on the news. So I think what would help is if I could just get have AI write. I'm going to message into the lesson plan now. So write a short story. I'll say like 5 paragraphs. No, 5 to 8 paragraphs. Let's get into some plot here. About a 7th grader who has been impacted by a wildfire. So that way, maybe like for me, I can go through this process and use the AI to give me some conversation points that might not be tethered to like the emotions that my kids are having regarding this one location. But this could be an opportunity that I could like start the conversations with them, maybe read this. And yeah, so of course, like I would interrogate this, I would ask so many more questions, but I just thought, this is a good time for us to be thinking about social emotional health and wellness for ourselves and our kids, and this lesson plan template inside of MagicSchool is helpful. So, all right, thanks so much.